Cooperation with H&M will raise the price of Vechain to $2,000. Nowadays, many are arguing which of the cryptocurrencies has a greater potential for growth. Increasingly, there are thoughts that the supporters of Vechain will emerge victorious from this struggle. Welcome to the Finance App channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. What do you think will be the maximum price for Vechain in 2022? Write the answers in the comments. In this video, we will look at such questions as whether Vechain will be able to continue its growth. Find out the current price of Vechain. Let's look at analysts' forecasts about the future of Vechain. Vet's own public blockchain token has witnessed steady growth over the past month. As the price fluctuated between two parallel lines pointing north, Alt showed a 40.2% increase on its monthly charts. Consequently, on November 5, Vet reached its 5-month high and bounced back between parallel lines, following the trend. However, altcoin declined by 3.92% in 24 hours, as technical data hinted at a decrease in purchasing power in the near term. At the time of publication in the press, Vet was trading at $0.15376. The RSI indicator fell by 9 points and headed towards the middle line, indicating a decrease in purchasing power in the near future. Moreover, the DMI showed superior purchasing power, but indicated a possible weakening of bullish momentum when the D-line was looking down. In addition, OW blinked red signals and confirmed the previous readings. The live Vechain price today is $0.16 United States dollars with a 24-hour trading volume of $499 million United States dollars. We update our Vet to USD price in real time. Vechain is down 0.41% in the last 24 hours. During the April 2020 Ask Me Anything Q&A session with Sunny Liu, director of the Vechain supply chain management platform, it became known that the company was working on a new project with a fast fashion brand, with which it had previously collaborated. Soon there were rumors that the mysterious partner could be H&M. Liu stated that more than 4,000 products produced with social and environmental responsibility were tracked using MyStory, a Vechain-based supply chain tracking platform. The platform was developed jointly with the International Certification and Classification Society (DNVGL). Recall that in 2018, Vechain already collaborated with a subsidiary of H&M Arket to track the supply of clothing. The Chinese media platform Uncle Cat found out that the luxury brand Cuz, part of the H&M Group, is an unnamed partner of Vechain. Representatives of Uncle Cat found MyStory tags on clothing items in Cuz stores. Considering that the head of H&M's Global Sustainability Department has previously stated that all products produced by the group of companies will use eco-friendly or recyclable materials by 2030, cooperation with Vechain seems like a logical step. Thus, the company wants to prove to customers that it follows the planned plan. In March, it became known that the British brand Sarah Regensburger is also implementing a solution for tracking supply chains based on the Vechain blockchain. In addition, last summer, Vechain entered into a partnership agreement with the Australian winemaker Penfolds to put on sale a batch of wine tracked using blockchain. Europe's largest clothing and cosmetics retail chain H&M has entered into cooperation with the Vechain blockchain ecosystem. According to the internet resource Vechain 101, a well-known Swedish retailer has integrated logistics tracking technology through the blockchain from Vechain. H&M itself has not yet commented on the cooperation with Vechain. Vechain CEO Sunny Liu said earlier that the company was working on a new project with a major fashion clothing manufacturer. According to the Vechain 101 resource, H&M's subsidiary stores called Cuz have already started using blockchain technology for tracking goods. According to the published photos, a QR code referring to MyStory is seen on the tags of goods in Cuz stores. Developed at Vechain, the MyStory blockchain technology was launched in 2019 and already tracks more than 4,000 products. In November 2018, another clothing brand Arket, owned by the H&M chain, also began testing the technology of tracking the supply of goods using Vechain. In March 2018, well-known venture capitalist and Bitcoin supporter Tim Draper invested in Vechain through a dollar fund. Vechain provides a set of blockchain-based solutions for working with information and products customized specifically for the requirements of a specific industry and customer. In this bull market, most altcoins benefit from the broader market movement. However, Vechain is accelerating its own rally thanks to the appearance of its long-awaited update. Even though this altcoin is still far from its all-time high, could this be a necessary trigger or would it just be more hype? Vechain had an explosive week when the market switched and the project had its own set of important updates. The announced arrival of POA 2.0 Phase 1 has had an impact on cryptography, as activation was launched yesterday on the test network. POA 2.0 is not only an advance for Vechain, but also for blockchains in general, as it is the first protocol of its kind in the world. The Vechain Foundation describes it as a combination of Byzantine fault tolerance and Nakamoto algorithms. The fund also claims that it benefits from its strengths and makes the chain faster, scalable and much more secure. Besides improving the randomness process, it also introduces a new committee function. As part of this function, 3 more block manufacturers will be selected to check the block and make sure that there are no manipulations. It will also be a guarantee that the data will be processed instantly to ensure that the network does not go through any random hard fork. However, the finality update still has some time left, as it will not be part of Phase 1. For Vechain, this will be the biggest step he has taken to further develop cryptography since his partnership with Jones Lang LaSalle to use a greener approach in his activities. Recently, it has also reached the milestone of 10 million processed blocks. This indicates that Vechain is not only in high demand, but also meets these requirements. The price reacted the same way as investors. During the week, it jumped by 21.86%, and 15% of its increase occurred in the last 48 hours. This pushed the cryptocurrency to overcome its 6-month resistance of $0.145. Since then, it has closed above it, which, therefore, marked a new local peak of $0.158. The arrival of POA 2.0 to the main network is scheduled for November 16, 2021. If by that time the new consensus algorithm works well with investors, then the token can get an additional boost from this. Suffice it to say that Vechain was created in order to improve the supply chain industry. It is designed to improve and enhance the efficiency of the supply chain sector. Moreover, Vechain technology has been developed mainly to solve and eliminate the shortcomings that many enterprises face, in particular, in transactional processes. Vechain developers strive to completely eliminate the threat of the counterfeit goods market by using the capabilities of smart contracts and blockchain technology, which is basically its strength. Do you think Vechain will be able to continue to maintain such a high level? Write answers in the comments. For today I'm saying goodbye to you. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then please like and subscribe to the channel.